Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to use 18 birdies so you can get the most out of your golf rounds. First, download and open 18 birdies on your phone. Sign in or create an account. Then tap play in the bottom menu and select start a round. Choose the course, tees, number of holes, and set up your group if golfing with friends. Next, once you're on the GPS screen, you'll see distances to the front, middle, and back of green, hazards, and doglegs. Tap the white target circle, drag it to where you want to aim, and the yardages adjust in real time. Now let's track your shot. After you hit your drive, tap Track Shot in the GPS screen. Select the club you used. Mark the start location, move to your ball, and tap Save Shot. Later, you'll get club average distances, putt counts, and insights. Finally, after your round, you can view your scorecard, stats like fairways hit, greens in regulation, and putts per hole. Go to Me, then Shots to review trends and see where you're gaining or losing strokes. And that's how you use the 18 Birdies app. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.